Hello, I'm Ben Daniel, the Chief Editor of Packaging Middle East and Africa magazine, and I'm here at the Customer Innovation Center of Tetra Pak Arabia. And it's such a pleasure to be here with Niels Hougaard, who's the Managing Director of Tetra Pak Arabia. Hello, Niels.
Hello, Ben. Warmly welcome to CIC and Tetra Pak Arabia.
Thank you very much, and it's a pleasure to be here.
We engage very closely with our customers to drive innovation in the industries where we operate. We also drive sustainable solutions. We are working on cutting food waste to drive efficiency of food operations. In the region, we build entire factories for our customers, the processing infrastructure, the packaging infrastructure, and the overarching automation infrastructure. And then we have a advanced service organization and spare part hub to ensure that these plants are operating efficiently every day.
Brilliant.
We have, since our birth, focused on sustainable materials, which is carton. Carton is coming from sustainably managed forests, and as we know, trees are eating carbon dioxide for breakfast. We put a vast amount of our innovation and investment in innovation in creating more sustainable solutions, both in the manufacturing or the processing, as we call it, but also in our packaging. We are involved in advancing the circular economy for post-consumer packaging through establishment of MOUs with MA1, which is the National Center for Waste Management. And the ambition together with MA1 is to also drive the focus towards extended producer responsibility, so EPR schemes. In the UAE, we are on board and a founding member of the UAE Circular Packaging Association, and also a member of the Policy Committee for Circular Economy Council, established by the UAE government, to develop and implement policies that enable low-carbon solutions. Lastly, because it's a lot of engagements, we also engage with our customers. And to give you a few examples, we worked with Sadafco, our customer in Saudi Arabia. We're trying to bring that knowledge to the table, and also with other industry partners that has a view on the trending needs of consumers. And we see that, generally speaking, consumers are having a concern of the future of the planet. So this is one of the trends we spoke about, sustainability. Just to put some data, 62% of Generation C would prefer to buy a sustainable product. And 57% of consumers are willing to change their purchasing behavior based on the sustainability profile of what they are buying. So this is, of course, important. Then we see some trends around plant-based, where we have also announced our partnership with the Nutri brand Alamera Group to build a plant-based factory in the UAE. So we have 7 product development centers, fully integrated end-to-end product development centers, where we can literally produce any product that a customer may be interested in and help each other to bring it to the market. Then there's a need for efficiency, for cost reduction of innovation, and here we are bringing faster and faster equipment to the market. Many of our customers are to some extent confined within the footprint of their area, so to drive growth without building more factories, we come up with faster and faster equipment. And one of the news is, of course, our hyperspeed lines that takes the current levels of speed from 24,000 up to 40,000 packs an hour. In terms of packaging, we have a wealth of innovations. I would not even be able to mention all of them, but we have seen a lot of new products in the Prisma range. We have the 330 range, where we were also awarded with a Packaging Innovation Award at Gulfood Manufacturing.
And if I may add, even at Prime Awards.
At the Prime Award as well.
Yes, yes.
And this is, of course, the craft material that we were using with the sustainable polymers. But we have also seen more products being launched in the 250 version of this packaging. And again, there will be much more coming in the region as we go forward. And as a last example, we have signed with the MEA plant, with the Sharjah government, to build a full end-to-end processing and packaging plant. And here we expect to launch the Tetra Pak format, which is a prime package in our chilled portfolio. So as opposed to the long life products, it's the chilled distributed packaging, where they will distribute their prime organic milk products in this very fine carton.
Brilliant.
We are engaging with all stakeholders on the EPR schemes that we discussed, and this is a structural matter to be handled, and all parties agree that removing packaging from landfill into recycling is a key matter, and all key stakeholders have to be part of that. And that's where we are engaging in a number of associations and committees to contribute with not only our local presence, our competences and the people we have, but also our global experience of implementing EPR schemes around the world. Yeah, so we are an end-to-end supplier in this industry. So eventually, as part of the food safety programs in the region, several new plants have been erected in the region. And we have been engaged in the majority of these projects, building both the processing and the packaging infrastructure. So beyond packaging, to your question, we do a lot on the processing side. And on the processing side, there's a lot of innovation ongoing to reduce the water consumption in food processing, energy consumption, extending shelf life, reducing footprint so that you get more capacity out of the same space, and therefore also contributing to the overall ambition. Then we are very focused on the industry automation and digitalization. Yeah, so coding of packaging has been on our agenda now for many years, and it is coming, and it's coming with increased speed. So it started with static barcodes, so it would enable you to go to a landing page and, for example, like this one, go to a landing page that tells about our Go Nature, Go Carton campaign that also talks about sustainability, etc. And we have used QR coding in consumer engagement programs with our customers. So competitions, we had a Pokemon Go kind of campaign where people had to find gamification through packaging. So this is the direction, and of course, the next wave was into the dynamic barcodes, where each QR code has its unique identity. So perhaps if you happen to buy this one, you are the winner of the big prize in this competition. And this is, of course, something, and it also enables our customers to connect with their consumers to get feedback on products and brands. So it can be a very valuable tool, creating that communication between consumer and brand owner. Lastly, we have seen the usage of RFID codes to understand what is in warehouses, so you can store data in the RFID codes and actually get data through the supply chain that is useful for your business and the efficiency of the business. Something we have done as Tetra Pak recently is to co-develop the digital printer for aseptic carton. And that has been going on for a couple of years, and we've been one of the first places in the world to run a campaign with this. So we ran a campaign with a customer in Jeddah. In Tetra Pak, we are obviously proud of our purpose, making food safe and available everywhere. This is what we do. This is what we do every day when we get up and get started. We want to bring, as an industry leader, we want to bring innovation. We want to bring prosperity, efficiency to our customers. We want to make sure that we contribute and protect what's good, protect food, people and the planet, that we do the right thing, and we work together with our customers and all of the other stakeholders to move towards better solutions. So this is really what we have been around. We wanted to be an industry leader that move and that take the first steps and that bring the latest to our customers.
Thank you, Niels. It was a great interview.
Thank you very much, Ben, for coming. Always a pleasure seeing you.
Thank you.